Thank you for your interest in the PDF Merge Toolkit. This toolkit will give you the needed instructions and the sample files to learn how to merge data into a fillable PDF. Completing a fillable PDF multiple times can be a very tedious process. If you only need to complete 3 or 4 fillable PDFs, then the setup of this is just not going to be worth your time. However, if you're looking at completing dozens or hundreds of fillable PDFs, then this will definitely revolutionize your life. Let's dive in. This process works both on Windows and Mac, so it's compatible with both platforms. Also, the demonstration provided here is using Adobe Acrobat Pro 2023. This works with older versions of Acrobat, but make sure that it is Acrobat because it will not work with Adobe Reader. Also, if you are using the latest version of Acrobat Pro, you may need to disable the new Acrobat view, which you can do from the View menu in Acrobat. Before we get into the setup, I just wanted to give you a taste of what the final product looks like. So I'm going to just go ahead and launch this merge and let it merge 50 PDFs. And there it is. It just merged 50 PDFs like that. The toolkit comes with several things. You will get a folder called PDF Merge Toolkit, and inside there is another folder called Action Scripts. That's where the scripts are, which you will import into your Acrobat. Also a completed forms folder. That's where the finished PDFs will be stored. And then also a sample PDF, fillable PDF 41 induction form, which here in California is something that school districts as well as county offices of education fill out for new teachers as they complete their teacher induction. There's also a template data file as well as instructions, written instructions in addition to this video. And there's a text import file, which I will explain what that is for in just a minute. So once you download and expand the zip file, I would recommend that you place the PDF Merge Toolkit folder inside your Documents folder. You can put it somewhere else, but that's where I have it, and it might make things a little bit easier during the setup process. So the next step is to come over to our Acrobat Pro and import the action scripts. You'll want to go over to the Tools tab here, and then in my sidebar I have Action Wizard. If you don't have it there, then you can put it there by scrolling in the middle here towards the bottom and adding the Action Wizard from right here. So let's click on Action Wizard. Then I want to click on Manage Actions and click on Import. And this is where I will navigate to the PDF Merge Toolkit and then Action Scripts folder and select the script that matches the operating system that I'm using. So in my case, that's Windows. Click Open and Import. Once it's imported, we will need to make a few adjustments to the script in order to adapt it to your computer. So select it here and then click Edit, then click Execute JavaScript, and then right over here, and this opens up the script itself. And so the adjustments we need to make is we need to tell the script where the import text file is on your specific computer. Currently, this is pointing to the location on my computer. If you've placed the PDF Merge Toolkit in your Documents folder, then all you need to do is change the user to match the user on your computer. You need to do that here, as well as over here, which tells the script where to place the completed PDFs. And here's the user that you would need to change. If you're planning to use this with your own fillable PDF and not the one that's provided in the toolkit, you will want to make one more adjustment in this script. Scroll down to the bottom, and down here is where the script is given instructions on how to name the completed PDF file. We'd want those files to be named in such a way that each one is unique so that they don't override each other. And so in this case, what it's doing is it's grabbing the name field from the fillable PDF and using that as part of the file name, and then adding to it the words 41 induction and then the extension .pdf. You can modify this in any way you'd like in order to suit your needs. I would recommend grabbing at least something from within the fillable PDF that would be unique from one PDF to the next. And all you need to do is just make sure that the name of the field inside your PDF is typed correctly here. Once we're done, we click OK, and then we click Save, and then we close. Now we're ready to prepare the data file for the import. So let's go back to our Toolkit folder. Let's open the data file in Excel. And again, if you're going to use the 41 induction form that I've provided, all you need to do is just paste in your own data here, and you're ready to merge. If you're doing your own form, then you want to make sure that your data file has the columns that actually will be imported, and then the column names match the names of the fields in the fillable PDF. This file is ready, and so we need to now save it as a text file, and particularly tab delimited text file. So let's go to File, Save As, and then click Browse. And here we need to change the Save As type to be text tab delimited. There are other text formats, but we specifically need it to be tab delimited. So let's select that, and let's name it Import. And then we will click Save. It says that it already exists, so in this case it's there, and typically I would just recommend overriding it and just using the same file with new data sets. That way you don't need to adjust the script. We'll say yes, and then we will close Excel. And so now we're ready for the import. We will open this fillable PDF, and then on the right side here, click Action Wizard. We'll select our imported 41 induction script, and then just click the Start button and let the computer do its job. Thank you again for your interest in the PDF Merge Toolkit. I truly hope that this will save you time and make you more productive. Wishing you all the best.